How are you all? I hope you all are safe and doing well. I know that we are all locked up inside. These are the critical days of our life, and we have to take care of ourselves and our family too. So I, Wencita, have come up here to speak with you all. So my dear youth, this is the time for us to try different things at home. I know we'll be addicted to phone, Insta, Netflix and all that. But please think long term. Focus on your career goals. We can no longer afford to waste time. We all are talented. God has given us number of talents. But we keep on telling, oh, that person is talented, this person is talented. No, that is so wrong. The only difference is they have worked hard for it. God has given us the opportunity, the time to cultivate the strength, to know our talents and work on it. And always remember, the days that break you are the days that actually have the potential to make you. Nothing constructive happens until something disruptive in life. And always remember, challenges are what makes life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. The Bible says that, I've commanded you to be strong and brave. Don't ever be afraid or discouraged. I am the Lord, your God, and I will be there wherever you go. Just because people let you down, don't give up on God, who will never will. Spend time with your loved ones. And always remember to pray for all the people who are suffering badly due to this pandemic. Stay strong, stay happy, keep smiling, and always remember to say hello to your loved ones. We couldn't continue the Unbox with Dice show due to this pandemic, so I've come here with a short message to inspire the youth. Soon we will come up with a new thing for the youth during this pandemic. I thank Father Stephen Lobo and Carmel Studios for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.